Hi everyone. So friends, in this video we are watching the beautiful modern wardrobe designs, and in this video we're going to discuss which are the best materials to make the wardrobes, what are the types of wardrobe designs, what are the points to remember before making the wardrobe, and how much it will cost to make this type of wardrobe designs. So friends, if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe to our channel. So let's begin the topic. A beautifully designed wardrobe offers the numerous benefits, both functional and aesthetics. It also elevates the overall look of your bedrooms or dressing area. It complements your interior decor with stylish finish, colors, and textures, and also create a luxurious and organized feel in your space. A well-designed, high-quality wardrobe can boost your home's resale value because of potential buyers appreciate the stylish and functional storage solutions. So friends, now I'm going to discuss which are the best materials to make the wardrobe designs. Actually, the best material for making a wardrobes depends on factors like durability, cost, aesthetics, maintenance. So there are the different types of materials are available like solid wood, plywood, MDF, particle board, HDF. So these are the materials which are used to make the wardrobe designs, but I will tell you that which are the best materials. If you'll go with the solid wood, it is expensive, so it will cost your budget more. My suggestion is go with the plywood. It is strong, moisture resistant, and affordable, and it will give you the smooth finish. Modern wardrobe, budget friendly. There you can see there are the beautiful wardrobe designs. Plywood is considered one of the best material for any furniture of the house. So in a plywood there are the different types of grades are available like MR grade, BWR, BWP. So if you have good budget you can go with the BWR. It is a good plywood material and good grade which are commonly used for TV cabinets, wardrobes, for even bed. This plywood is mostly commonly used for this materials furniture. So I will going to tell you that how much it will cost to make this type of wardrobes. Actually, if you will go with total price for making the wardrobe designs per square feet, it will cost you almost 800 rupees to 1100 rupees per square feet. It totally depends upon the material which you select, the brands, because there are different types of materials are available in plywood. Also, you will get local brand and the branded items. So the price totally depends upon the brands also. Second, which I told you the price 800 rupees per square feet, it is everything included, materials plus labor cost and the hardware items, so everything it is included. If you want to give the good finished look, it will cost you almost 1000 rupees per square feet. And the points to remember for wardrobe is always use the doors of MDF or blockboard and thickness should be 25 mm. Don't use the plywood because plywood is heavy material, so it may chances to remove our hinges and can remove the door. Sliding wardrobe has problem that door does not open fully and maintenance is high, but it gives you a luxury look. So it totally depends upon the space available in your room. Use the laminate sheets for wardrobe. It is budget friendly. Also have the best color options. Always wardrobe cabinet depth should be almost 2 feet, and put the laminate sheets in cabinet white sheet which we are using for inside the wardrobes 0.7 mm to 0.9 mm, that will look good. Always use the top brand hardware items for hinges, channels. So always good, use the good brands. Always select the wardrobe color which matches your bedroom interior, like bed, floor tiles, bedroom wall color. So always plan properly for making the wardrobe, like materials, quality, price, and always select the designs first. So in this video there are the lots of designs are available, and I told you the price also. If you want more details you can ask me in the comment section, or you can contact through my mail id which I mentioned in the description. So friends, if you like my videos then please like our videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you once again.